Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn chapter 8 Measurement. Different instruments are used to find the size and quantity of different items or objects. Whenever we are going to buy anything, like if you are going to buy milk, then there is a different measurement to measure quantity of milk. If you want to buy sugar, then there is a perfect measurement unit to measure this kind of things. And if you want to measure clothes, so different measurement unit is there. So here you have to learn about different types of measurement units. Let us look over here. So these are the measurement units you can see. Huh? Weighing scale, measuring tape, then this beaker is there to measure the liquids. Scales are there. Okay, these are the gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 100 grams. These are the weighing scales. Now, history of measurement. When the perfect measurement unit was not there, so that time people are using their body parts to measure things such as hand and palm to measure length, and some of the measures used in ancient times were handspan, cubit and fathom. So you have to remember this: handspan, cubit and fathom. But there is a problem because length of various body parts differ from person to person. If a boy of 10 years old, he has different length of uh, hands than a boy of 20 years old. So there is a difference between length of the hands between 10 years boys and 20 years boys. So there is a difficulty how to measure clothes, how to measure length of anything. So then people realize, and they have fixed quantities to measure things. A fixed quantity that is used as a standard of measurement is called unit. We can see over here with finger. Finger, the boy is measuring bottle. So it's a hand span. Then the length between the tip of the middle finger opened and the elbow is called cubit. A fathom is the length of outstretched arms. So it varies from person to person. Now, then after people had decided some fixed measurement units. So we have to learn this measurement of length. Length is the size or measurement of an object from its one end to another. If you want to measure length of wall, then we have to measure it from one end to another. So, for that we have some measurement units: meter, millimeter, centimeter and kilometer. So kilometer is used to measure distance. If you want to go to Ahmedabad, so distance from Rajkot to Ahmedabad, it is measured in kilometer. Here the units of length can be changed from one to another. For example, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So if you want to measure length of a pencil, then you have to measure it in a centimeter or millimeter. If you want to measure length of sari, then you will measure it in a meter, and for distance, kilometer. Now measurement of mass. Mass means anything like sugar, then wheat, rice. So mass tells us how heavy or light an object is. For that, beam balance or weighing balance is an instrument to measure mass. The standard unit used to measure mass is kilogram. So kilogram, if you want to buy sugar, then we will buy it 5 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg of sugar, or 500 grams. So kilogram, milligram and gram. These are measurement units to measure the smaller mass. If we want to go for bigger measurement unit of mass, it's a ton and quintal. So this kind of units are there for measuring mass. 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Now measurement of capacity. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. So whenever you are going to buy water bottle, so first of all, shopkeeper will tell you how much capacity you want in a water bottle, 500 ml, 750 ml or 1 liter. So we will buy whatever our as per our requirement. So a measuring cylinder is an instrument used to measure capacity. You have seen that this milkman, they are measuring milk using this measuring cylinder. The units of capacity can be changed from one to another. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Now measurement of time. The period between two events is called time. A clock or a watch is an instrument used to measure time. So you all are waiting for 10:30 break whenever you are at school. So we are measuring time in seconds, minutes, hours. So these are the measurement units of time. You are coming to school at 7:30. Your departure time is 1:15. So we are measuring time 1 o'clock and 15 minutes. So hour, seconds and minutes are measurement unit of time. Now how to measure temperature. Temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is. It is measured using an instrument called thermometer. So whenever anyone is suffering from fever, so we are checking our body temperature. So we are measuring it through thermometer. Then when we are measuring the temperature of atmosphere, so that time we have a measurement unit. It's called Celsius, degree or Fahrenheit. So body temperature we are measuring in Fahrenheit, and atmosphere temperature we are measuring it in a degree Celsius. So doctors use a thermometer to measure the temperature of patient who has fever. Okay, students, I hope you understand this chapter very well. Bye bye.